Poetry. The monkey sees, so the monkey do. They want to bury me alive for telling the truth. Only the chosen few walks with me. People watch me and they laugh. They gossip and they point fingers. They have agreed to not be of help, but a trigger to my brutal beatings of integrity, jealousy, inequality of equality. My intelligence of empathy scares those that do not understand their own enforcements. They curse themselves with monkey see, monkey do. If I acknowledge that I am happy to see you, they say it is good to be seen. They attack me with words of filth, words of entitlement. After I show them attention, they feel they have power over me. Letting people know that I've loved them has caused me to be taken advantage of. They kick me to the ground and stomp on me with dirty feet to show me I am beneath them. The monkey sees and does. The monkey has seen evil. The monkey has been through pain that cannot be restored because the monkey has no faith in people, no faith in any human that continues to show love, gratitude, nor patience. The humans they claim to love have ruined their trust. The monkey have seen killings, brutality, immoral and ungodly acts of beatings, creatures who do not stop eating, that cannot stop feelings of egotistic nature. So the monkey do, and the monkey has done everything they have seen. They are self-taught. They slaughter things. They believe what they do is right because no one has taken accountability of being wrong. The monkey learns from its surroundings. They do not see evil. They only see you, its teacher, who teaches them their next step, how to speak and how to engage with others who do not know the meanings of communication and engaging resources. The monkey does not know rage. They react what have been seen. Not knowing how to express themselves, they were never taught how to breathe. The monkey has learned from the people on stage. They practice the scenery. The monkey does what the monkey sees. They do not know evil, yet they experience it. The monkey does what the monkey has seen. He palms.